Hello everyone. This will be our 14th video on how to integrate for sales directors' multi-agent systems with AI to make their job easier.
Hi. After going through all the agents, implementation models, and hybrid options, I have to admit that I am convinced of the potential of this system. But now a natural question comes to me: is this something that is only good for the O&M sales manager position, or can it really scale to other profiles within the company?
I love that you got to that question because it's exactly the next logical step: system scalability. The answer is clear. Yes, the multi-agent system can easily adapt and scale to other positions, functions, and even entire departments. Not only that, but this adaptability is one of the most powerful features of the approach we are implementing.
And how is that done? Does it require building everything from scratch for each position?
Not at all. One of the great advantages of the multi-agent system is that it works as a modular and flexible architecture. It's like working with Lego pieces. Once you have the basic set, you can reorganize, combine, and expand according to the specific needs of each role or department. Once the agents are deployed and coordinated, you can clone and adapt the necessary components for other roles without starting from scratch. It's like having a solid foundation on which you can build new roles, departments, or business units simply by adding new agents or reconfiguring existing ones. This significantly reduces the implementation time and cost for each new profile within the company.
Can you give me examples of how this would apply to other positions? I want to visualize it better.
Of course. Let's walk through several key areas. 1. Project Manager, Project Management. Schedule Control Agent. Ensures that plan times are respected. Critical Milestone Tracking Agent. Identifies bottlenecks before they become problems. Operational Risk and Deviation Analysis Agent. Compares planning versus execution and alerts on deviations. Internal and Contractor Meetings Agent. Schedules, summarizes, and follows up on commitments from each meeting. 2. O&M Technician or Field Supervisor, Task Prioritization Agent according to criticality. Adjust Intervention Order according to operational impact. Predictive Failure Analysis Agent, based on historical and sensors. Detects anomalous patterns to avoid unplanned shutdowns. Route and Time Optimization Agent. Proposes efficient itineraries for field technicians. Post-intervention Technical Feedback Agent. Collects information from the technician and documents it for continuous improvement. 3. Financial Management, Financial KPI Monitoring Agent. Consolidates key metrics in real-time. Economic Scenario. Simulation Agent. Allows visualizing the impact of different decisions. Cash flow and Profitability Monitoring Agent by line. Provides granular visibility on financial health. Business Decision Impact Assessment Agent. Analyzes how operational decisions affect margins. 4. HR and Talent. Organizational Climate Agent. Surveys plus sentiment analysis. Measures well-being and detects internal tensions. Agent for early detection of turnover or demotivation. Combines historical data and current signals. Training and Performance Evaluation Agent. Recommends customized improvement programs. Selection Agent based on successful historical profiles. Suggests candidates best aligned with proven success. 5. General Management, Executive Vision Agent. Unifies all strategic KPIs in an intelligent dashboard. Scenario Agent for high-level decision-making. Simulates possible futures with real-time data. New Business Opportunity Identification Agent. Crosses information from multiple sources to detect trends. Governance and Operational Integrity Agent. Ensures compliance with internal norms and standards.
The multitude of profiles that can be created is impressive. That is, we could have a complete ecosystem of intelligent agents managing and optimizing all areas of the company. And not only that, but each one contributes from their specialty but with a common logic.
Exactly. And the best thing is that all agents can talk to each other, share information, and coordinate actions. What started as a solution for the commercial area becomes an intelligent nervous system for the entire organization. Every decision becomes more informed, every process more efficient, and responsiveness improves substantially.
And doesn't this make management more complex? I am concerned about information overload or the difficulty of control.
On the contrary, it simplifies management by centralizing critical information, automating alerts, and prioritizing what really matters. What it does is simplify management because it centralizes critical information, automates alerts, and prioritizes what really matters. The strategic coordinating agent acts as a high-level assistant that filters what's relevant and presents only what deserves your attention, keeping you informed without overwhelming you.
And are these decisions then recorded in the system, and are they used for anything other than monitoring? It seems to me a natural evolution of the company. Start with a key position and scale progressively according to the needs of each area. Do you recommend it this way too?
That's the most normal thing to do. That's the best strategy, a progressive and controlled approach. You can do it in phases. First one area, such as commercial/O&M, where the benefits are more tangible and quicker to observe. Then another, projects, finance, HR, etc. Building on previous learning. Finally, have a cross-cutting continuous improvement system that works synchronously and learns from itself over time. This not only improves processes, but also strengthens decision-making, increases efficiency, reduces human error, and makes the company more resilient to change, more agile, and more intelligent.
Perfect. I love knowing that this is not just a tool for a job, but a platform for organizational transformation based on artificial intelligence. It's a new way of operating, thinking, and leading a company.
Exactly. A well-implemented multi-agent system not only improves tasks, but changes the way your company thinks, decides, and acts. It's a step towards a more proactive, more connected, and more environmentally aware management model. In the next video, we will explore how intelligent agents can be used to perform automated and dynamic SWOT analysis of both current customers and other companies in the market that are not yet part of your portfolio, but could be potential customers in the future. We will see how to identify behavioral patterns, gather insights from multiple sources, detect weak signals, and turn all that information into real competitive advantages.
Is that also capable of taking over agents? Impressive. I will surely watch the next video. I would like to get in touch with someone to clarify a couple of technical questions I have to implement it in my company. Can you give me the contact of someone?
You can contact our expert Antonio Fresco Navacerrada via LinkedIn. He will guide you through the process and will be able to clarify any other doubts you may have. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to be more informed about how artificial intelligence can help improve sales managers' functions.